This is the Genesis G80. If equipped, the Genesis G80 may come with surround view monitor and blind spot view monitor systems. Surround view monitor displays images of your surroundings through the infotainment screen when parking. You can access surround view monitor at any time by pressing the parking view button on the center console. You can set surround view monitor to turn on automatically when the parking distance warning system activates. To do this, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Parking Safety, and then Surround View Monitor Auto on. When the G80 is shifted to reverse, the rear view automatically appears on the infotainment screen. When the G80 is shifted to neutral or drive, the front view appears on the infotainment screen. The menu bar on the left allows you to change to front view, rear view, or 3D surround view. In 3D surround view, you can tap or tap and hold on the screen to change viewing angles. Pressing the 3D view button returns to the default 3D angle. To customize the surround view camera, press the setup icon or press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Parking Safety, and then Camera Settings. From here, you can turn off or on parking distance warnings, top view parking guidelines, or rear view parking guidelines. The warning volume for surround view monitor can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Methods. You can use the adjustment slider or the plus and minus icons to adjust the warning volume. Blind spot view monitor uses side view cameras located in both outside door mirrors to display the related blind spot area on the instrument cluster when the turn signal is activated. This can be useful for lane safety when changing lanes or when pulling out from a curb to help avoid a possible collision. To enable or disable blind spot view monitor, press Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Driving Safety, and then select or deselect the checkbox. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.